So you're probably wondering, why Infraspeak? Hi everyone, my name is Carol, and I'm here to start your journey through our intelligent maintenance platform, Infraspeak. This is the very first episode in a series of videos that will guide and help you make the most out of our platform. The main goal is for you to understand the benefits of implementing and using Infraspeak while getting to know all the possible outcomes for your business after you do. Together with this, we will provide small tips for you to use once you start exploring Infraspeak for the first time. So let's start. First, let's talk a little bit about the advantages of using Infraspeak. Infraspeak was born in 2015 and revolutionized the industry by being the first ever to introduce NFC technology into maintenance and facility management. Nowadays, with a lighter, friendlier, and a clutter-free appearance, our platform guarantees the possibility to have a simpler, faster, and more intelligent maintenance operations. Infraspeak is not just a CMMS. It is a technical operations platform that completely adapts to you and your company's needs. To achieve that, we've organized the platform in different apps that can be implemented at any time according to your needs. Among them, you'll be able to find work orders where you can easily report and manage your corrective maintenance, or the preventive maintenance app where you can schedule, execute, and run reports on your planned tasks in an easy and an intuitive way. Our audits app will also allow you to create and customize forms, while analytics will do the same, but for indicators and data exports. Cost management tracks and reviews all travel, meals, accommodation, and any other expenses associated with your operations. The Sales app allows the creation and sales management related to work orders and planned jobs, and with the definition of sales values for materials. But there's a whole lot more where these came from. With Infraspeak, your business will benefit from a dedicated team that is there for you every step of the way. We will also have integrations available that allow you to extend the functionalities of your platform. You and your business will have a better and smarter insights due to the higher quality data and greater user experience. Efficiency will increase and you'll be able to manage your maintenance operations with just a few clicks. They'll get smarter, simpler, more intelligent, and way faster. Forget about your old spreadsheets and enter a whole new world of data and intelligence with Infraspeak. Next, I will show you some usability tips for you to start working on Infraspeak through the web interface. After logging in, you will arrive to the main page, Get Started. Here you can find more tips and tricks about Infraspeak. To navigate within the platform, use the menu bar located on the left-hand side and find the apps you have installed. The Administration tab is one of the most important on the platform, since it is where you're able to configure your Infraspeak experience. Inside, there are the main sections that you can use to configure your master data. Take a little time exploring them, or you can always check our videos for more information. The toolbar is now located on the left-hand side so you can intuitively perform actions quicker. The filter is located on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you enter an app and once you click on the filter icon, a new panel will appear. Here, you'll be able to filter down your data for more efficient analysis. Just make sure you don't forget to apply them. Remember, you are able to see the filters being used at the top. Using the sidebar on the right-hand side, you're able to quickly view and edit information from the selected line without having to open the full details. Additionally, Infraspeak allows you to quickly edit information on the spot. If you see the pencil icon, it means that you can click on it and edit information immediately. In Infraspeak, you will also come across the data that is displayed in a table format. You have the option to choose the information column that can be shown or hidden from you by clicking on the top right-hand corner icon, the one that looks like a little open book. Finally, if you want to help us improve Infraspeak's platform, please do so by providing us with feedback. And if you have any questions about the platform, contact us by clicking on the Give Feedback button on the bottom left-hand corner of Infraspeak. That's it. You are now ready to start exploring and using Infraspeak. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description below. And make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.